going?
I'm recording.
Hi, so I wanted to do a quick video. It is very hot out, but I wanted to show you in the sunshine what some of these new LennyGos look like. Several of you have been asking, and I just want to see, I just wanted to be able to show them to you. So I'm Alexandra, owner and founder of Mama Ruse, and so the first one we're going to look at is the LennyGo in Peacock's Tail Sea Angel. So this is, I believe it's 100% bamboo. When I first look at it, it's super gorgeous green. Okay. And I'm just going to try to take this out so you can see a little bit better kind of the texture. My first impression is that it feels super cool and super soft. So I don't know how much of that you can see. Super pretty. You can see the changes in the colors there in that gradient. It's got this really nice sort of the dark green kind of goes into there, and then the black. This feels so nice. It's so soft. I really love this. This is going to be nice for anybody who wants something with that super soft and slightly cool feel touch. This is really nice. I really like this. Yeah, so we have this, yes, we have Sea Angel in stock in both the toddler and standard sizes. I'm going to set that one and its mate over here. The next one we're going to look at, we have this fabric in a couple other things right now. I think we still have the hybrid in right now in stock. I'd have to check. This is Enchanted Nook Wild Nature. This is 100% linen. It's in the luxury line. That's why it has the ribbon around it. At first feel, so just in comparison between the two, this is definitely stiffer. So linen is going to be a lot, it's going to be a lot firmer than bamboo, right? They're kind of on opposite ends of our spectrum, and cotton is kind of in the middle in terms of the fabrics we carry most. This will break in really nicely. Like if you think of like cool fancy linen bed sheets, that's kind of the thing that it'll break into, but it is more stiff in the beginning. It's nice if you like something that has a little bit less give, whereas the bamboo's can have more give, and this will take a little bit longer. It actually doesn't have as cool a feel. It's very hot today, so that could be part of it. It doesn't have as cool a feel as this did, but it definitely still has some. And this is more of a natural. I don't know if this is undyed or not, this fabric, but it definitely has more of a natural quality to the look. I don't know if you can kind of tell the coloring. You know, it is like a beige, like a neutral. You know, I'm sure in different lighting it looks a little bit different. It might have sort of a hint of green depending on the lighting, but really nice, a really nice neutral. And the linen is just such a durable fabric. It's a great material for summer. It's a great material for a lot of things. Moisture wicking, moisture absorbing, just a really nice material, and especially great for this time of year, and definitely great if you're someone who likes a little bit more support. It's definitely going to give you more of that as well. Okay. So this one is Viridiflora Coral Pink. We have this in both the toddler and the standard sizes in stock. This is another linen. I think this is a linen bamboo blend just from the feel of it. It feels a little bit more cool. I would have to check. Definitely whatever it says on the store is what it is. But this, when I pull this out, this has more of a cool feel touch to me than the Wild Nature. It feels like it definitely has that stiffness of the linen, so I know for sure there's a decent amount of linen in this. But I wouldn't be surprised if this is a blend, just kind of from the way that it feels. Just feels like it might have a little bit more give. Definitely has that cool touch, very luxurious. You know, you can kind of see some of the detailing in the weave, really beautiful flowers. And then the inside, yes, so the inside of the panel is the opposite. I don't know if you can really see that. So inside the hood is going to have that opposite coloring too. Really nice. From this angle in the bright sunshine, it's definitely a darker pink. I don't know what it looks like further away, but it is really nice. I think that this is really a nice, more neutral too, really. It's not like a screaming in your face hot pink for sure. And it's, yeah, it's a very nice pattern. So, okay. Like I said, we have that in both sizes in stock of the LennyGo. And then I've got one more to show you. Oh my goodness. Okay, and so I know we got some questions about this one. Excuse me, this is the Enchanted Nook Marigold. We have this just in the toddler size LennyGo. And I know we got some questions kind of about what color this is. Again, I am like in the bright sunshine, if you can't tell. So, you know, that's kind of skewing my perception of that too. Let me kind of take this out a little better so you can see. Okay, so I would say it's more of a beige. Oh, I definitely feel this. Now this is a bamboo blend. I'm not sure if this is bamboo cotton or bamboo linen. I'm not sure if it's bamboo cotton or bamboo linen. It is a, I would say in terms of the color, it's more beige feeling to me. The feeling of this is so nice. It's super smooth. It's this cool feel. It's probably my favorite of the ones that I've touched today. It's got this really nice design on the inside. Of course, this isn't how you wear the carrier out, but it is some nice coloring, a nice cool feel there too. So really like this one, and just really nice patterning in there. Yeah, so I hope that helps. Those are our special limited edition items. We got a bunch of LennyGos in these fun fabrics just to try. I also did bring in some new mesh ones. Those are LennyGos with that mesh panel instead in the middle. It's a different way of feeling cool. These are probably going to be a little bit more supportive than those ones with the mesh, but some people really like that mesh and that look and that feel too. So thanks so much. I hope that helps and have a great day.